What is due diligence and why it is needed? Due diligence is basically verification of material facts of the property. Check the ownership of the property, that actual owner is selling that property, mortgage over the property by any financial institute or bank, to check the third party interest created over it. What is the title search of the property? Title search means title verification through the title deeds and documents. Also, search includes government search from the sub-registration office or government office. We generally conduct search on the basis of available documents. There is basic list of the documents, that is all title documents, property tax receipts, maintenance receipts, society documents, conveyance deed, all the permissions provided by the government for the construction. These documents are required for title search. Also, for search, we need exact property description so that we can conduct the search over the government website. In our one case, purchase the flat without NOC or without informing the society, then society have every right to take objection over the said flat, and that said transaction can be questioned by the society. What is the process of registration? Basically, registration is a process done through the documents provided by the purchaser. We prepare the draft of the provided documents, then that draft will be registered along with the annexes provided by the purchaser. So if purchaser has not given proper documents, then that registration can be questioned by the registrar. Due to that process, purchaser can face delay in the registration process. Therefore, to avoid the delay, make sure that all documents should be scrutinized prior to the registration so that this process can be easy for purchaser as well as for seller.